Welcome back to the Vintage Telephones channel and Happy New Year to you all. We are doing our first video of 2026. Today I have a telephone made in Italy by a company called Marchetti, and they operate out of Rome. And I do not have any information on the company that produced these phones, as the information is not existent on the internet. But we can kind of conclude that these phones were specialty and not used for the SIP. They were kind of a designer type of telephones, kind of like Telart. And just like here in America, we also have like the Western Electric design line, which was for the Bell system. And then, of course, non-Bell system approved equipment such as the Teleconcepts. They produced various models, from what I can conclude in various Google searches. And this is kind of the only design that I have seen. Kind of unique from one of the other ones that show up on the internet. I haven't seen any other like it, but I don't think it's rare or anything. But I think these are probably made from the early to the mid 1970s, and they were made or equipped with dials from various companies. This one happens to be a Polish dial. It is a TN63, that's the model number, and the company that produced this was Marchetti. And they were also found on the CB663 telephones, the CB662, 661s, I believe, and were later replaced when the CB663 became the Yaskir, and they produced the face standard dials on those. So, along with these Polish dials, they also used dials from Germany, such as ones from the DFG, and also Tesla of Stropkov. So we got a Polish dial. It's working fine. Of course, it's missing the little cover here. It's supposed to be like a blank. I don't think it would have Cyrillic numbers because this was from Italy, so it's probably going to be a blank. But this phone is very unique because we got a neat looking handset. It's in a cream color, same color as my walls here in my desk. And this phone handset can come apart in like 5 pieces. Got the back part, this, and this, and same thing here, this and the cap. And there's that. And we got kind of a circular shaped base. Right there, we get a single plunger. There. There's a close look at the dial. So we can see this dial was from 1976, according to the molding. And then we also have, it's probably on this side, you have the brand name molded into the housing. And this phone also has a buzzer to it, does not have a bell. So yeah, I don't know, this is kind of a unique plastic, because notice how it's kind of lumpy looking. I don't think it's an ABS, it must be some sort of other type of plastic. And I'll show you the bottom. There's really nothing on the bottom other than a glued on rubber foot. Just a single thing, and no dates or anything. And then I also have a modern RJ11 plug on this phone as well. So yeah, really not much information on the company. I looked everywhere and I got 0 results. There are a few other designs out there and various colors. So what we'll do next is we will get out the machine and I will demonstrate. So we will be right back. And as always, I will pick up the handset and give you dial tone. And we got the transmitter, the light's blinking, and it's working. And a couple of pulses. There we go. And now I will dial. All right. Oops. And lastly, we will hear the buzzer. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this first video of 2026. Pictures of the inside components are coming up next. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.